Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to create Pipedrive person from IndiaMart leads. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through IndiaMart, then I want to create that lead as a person in Pipedrive. So now to do this, I need to establish a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be IndiaMart and my action application will be Pipedrive. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to create Pipedrive person from IndiaMart lead. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMart, then I want to create that lead as a person in my Pipedrive account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here you just have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So over here you can see that I've got two options, that is sign in and sign up for free. So as I have an existing account, I will simply sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as IndiaMart Automation. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Automations for IndiaMart, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to create Pipedrive person from IndiaMart lead. So here in Pabbly Connect, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I am going to search for IndiaMart as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new leads. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be captured. So our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 24 hours. So here that means this trigger will fetch the data from IndiaMart in every 24 hours. So now over here, in order to set up this automation, I need to establish a connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So here to add a new connection, I need to mention a CRM key. So I've already logged into my IndiaMart account, and now I'm going to take you to my account. Here in IndiaMart, I will go to settings. And in settings, I'm going to find this account settings. So here in account settings, I will go to CRM API. And over here, this is the current API key. So if you have not generated a API key, you can simply generate it by clicking on generate key button. So as I've already generated an API key, I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to paste the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. So once I've done that, now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So the connection has been established successfully. So now in order to capture the lead over here, I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So by clicking on save and send test request button over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to get the most latest lead detail over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on save and send test request. And over here you can see that just now I have received a response. So over here you can see this here is the subject, that is requirement for 1 kW commercial on grid solar power system. Here is a unique ID, sender state, and over here you can see the sender name, and here you can see the sender mobile. Here is the email. Scrolling down to some other details, here you can see the sender city, address, and over here you can see the query time product and the message as well. So this here is the query message. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the lead details. As I've received the details of the lead over here in Pabbly Connect, that means the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMart, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will check for new data in every 24 hours as a trigger application is a polling based one. So as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now by using the lead details, I want to create a person in Pipedrive. So over here, I'm going to search for Pipedrive as my action application. And here the action event will be to create a new person. So now I'm going to click on connect. So here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the API token. So here you can read the instruction as well. So now I'm going to take you to my Pipedrive account. So this here is my Pipedrive account. Over here, I will go to my profile, I will go to personal preferences, and over here, I will go to API. So here under API, this is my personal API token. So I'm going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So now as I've mentioned it, I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that the connection has been established between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect. So now moving to these details. So here to fill in these details, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from IndiaMart, so over here in these fields, I'm going to map it. So from label, I'm going to select it as hot lead. So now moving to the phone number. So over here from the response received, I'm going to search for the phone number and I'm going to map it. So now moving to the email, again from the response received, I'm going to map the email. Here it is. So here I've mapped the name, phone number and the email. So as I've received these details from IndiaMart, so here in these fields, I've mapped it. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details in these fields, that means these details will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMart. So as I've mapped the details here, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Pipedrive account. And here under person, you can see that a new person has been created by the name of demo user. Here you can see the label that is of hot lead and over here you can see the email and this here is the phone number. So that means the lead which I have received from IndiaMart is successfully created as a person in my Pipedrive account. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMart, then automatically that lead will be created as a person in my Pipedrive account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.